Hello, my friends. This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for June 14th, 2022. It's currently May 31st, 2022, 7:29 p.m. The overall theme and behavior for the day is going to be a decline. We have moved a move from an important price level down to a support. We bounce along that support, and then we break down through multiple more supports. The behavior around the high is going to be, even in the face of overwhelming headwinds, there's still a move higher. It's kind of surprising to people. You'd expect it to go lower at that time. And behavior around the low, there's going to be a male ruler who's highlighted, ruler of nations who's highlighted near the low. We had a gap down with a gap down overnight in the pre-market. We have a little bit of a push to the upside with our first day's crest or high here right around the open. There's a notable move higher that's then retraced, so like an upside down capital J. And then we have more of a move, and that's in like the first half hour. Then we have more moving higher along a diagonal trend line, breaking through horizontal resistance and meeting a secondary resistance. But then we sell. There's a reversal there that's roughly between like 10 and 12, roughly between 10 and, let's say, 10 and 11:20ish. And then we sell deeply through a support down to a day's low, and then we come back and we meet support. And there's a notable move there in that selling that happens before the mid part of the day. Increasing volatility midday. Volatility picks up. Something to do with Congress, maybe possibly a bit of a holding pattern here midday. And then we have a successful move higher, creating support out of old resistance between roughly 1 and, let's say, 3 o'clock. In the midst of that rally, after creating new support out of resistance, there's an opportunity to open puts or protect against long positions in the midst of that rally. And then we sell pretty hard after a failed attempt to break through resistance. Everybody's expecting us to break through resistance, but instead we turned around and we head south through an important support level correlated with the theme card here at the end of the day. There's a bit of a rally right around the close. And that's a bit of a. I'm advised to be cautious here right around the close. There's a trade opportunity there. Something else to point out is that the Queen of Wands was the low correlator for the prior day. So this is going to be a low for yesterday, or a lower low than yesterday. The Knight of Swords is the. Is the overview card for the 14th on the overview for June. So a low and then a pop higher. It looks like at the end of the day we probably have that failed attempt. We move higher into the end of the day, but that rally is kind of like a fake out, and there's a selling down from there. So something to be mindful of. That's the S&P 500 for June 14th, 2022. Hit this like button here if you like this. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. It really helps us out. Show your support, show your love, but most importantly, when you make that money from this reading, pay it forward, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.